As spring pushes the cold winter out and the days get warmer, your hair is going to start going crazy. I mean, have you ever noticed after you're washing your car or bike or taking a jog in the warmer weather or just spending any time outside in the heat, your hair gets kind of frizzy and grainy and just overall crazy? Well, today we want to remedy that by talking about sea salt spray. Originally, sea salt spray was just meant to mimic the beach hairstyles of surfers and anyone else who spent time in the waves. Hence the name sea salt spray. And these sprays would give your hair a naturally textured and wavy look. Nowadays, high quality sea salt sprays like Volt Surf Salt Spray still give you those things, but with the added benefit of control along with the style. What I like about it is that it helps me control and style my crazy hair, even here in the heat where it gets up to like 100 degrees, without that kind of rock hard gel or styling product that doesn't look all that natural. And apart from the obvious sea salt ingredient, Volt also adds a few things that stand out from the rest. For example, activated charcoal absorbs toxins and helps gently exfoliate hair. The added sea kelp extract helps moisturize and kind of fight the drying properties that salt alone has on your hair as well. They've even added kaolin, which is like a natural mineral clay, which helps fortify your hair and also acts as a gentle cleanser for both your hair and your scalp. There's many more ingredients we can talk about, but overall the gist of it is that you can also use sea salt spray as kind of a dry shampoo alternative, which means it's pretty great for those mornings when maybe you woke up a bit late, you don't have time to get your morning shower in, and you need something quick and easy before you head to the office that will help you style and clean your hair. You just shake the bottle a little bit, spray it on your hair, move your hair around, toss the lid around, get the right hairstyle for you, and then let the air dry it, and that's pretty much it. You'll have a light hold in your hair throughout the day, as well as the added benefit of the texture and the style that you'll notice right away. One of the coolest things about it actually is the convenience of it. You can see I've got two different sizes here. The travel size is actually perfect because it is a travel-based product. You can use it anytime, anywhere. After all, you can tell these things are tough enough to handle the road because they're not plastic, they're aluminum. Which is honestly another added benefit because these bottles are going to be much more recyclable and eco-friendly than plastic is. Aluminum is just much more often recycled because it can be recycled infinitely as opposed to plastic, which degrades after each recycling cycle. So I actually usually like to keep one of these either in my car or in my go bag, and the other one I will just keep right here on my counter next to all my other Volt stuff for when I have the time to do everything here in the morning. Overall, sea salt sprays in general will texturize your hair, but the good ones are going to protect your hair from the dryness of salts while doing it. Give Volt a shot and you'll see the difference.